Copper mud ball press. Compare easy materials, such as metal magnesium smelting, magnesium ore, magnesia, copper mud, and other metallurgical powder materials. Pressing effect is obvious. The effect is extraordinary. We should pay attention to the use of tie. The material is not allowed to have any metal, otherwise, the surface of the roller will be damaged. When feeding, the adjustable screw feeder will be used to observe the return amount. To adjust the supply of new material feeding, it is necessary to make the machine whole run for several weeks before starting to fill the material, to prevent the machine from eating too much material, causing overload of the reducer and motor, making the roller shaft of the ball press broken.